These AI videos are currently blowing up everywhere on social media, and it's not luck. These creators know something that you don't. For example, I'm sure you must have seen these videos everywhere on TikTok. It is trending everywhere. These videos also follow one particular order, and if you watch these videos, you will see that there is one pattern that these channels or these pages are following. So in this video, I'm going to break down the step-by-step strategy that these content creators are using to grow their channels and build a lot of audience. These channels are making so much money, from getting payments from brands to advertise their products, to selling courses, to teaching beginners how to create this kind of videos, and even YouTube AdSense. So there is so much money in making AI videos. So let's watch these videos and see if you're able to spot the pattern. If you don't,
Victoria is not here. She went out to look for who will give her credit for credit units. What do you want?
Oh, I just thought to drop this off for her and check up on...
Save your hypocrisy, Blessing. You walked in this house thinking you're visiting a big woman, right? Look around. Look at this parlor. Is this the house of the high-class lady who has been giving you marital advice?
Hey, Tiger! Mama, please don't start. You're shouting and my ears are already full. Am I the one shouting, or is the death in this room screaming for mercy? Tiger, look at that thing. A whole used pad next to where you are painting your... Oma, beg, loosen up. University is supposed to be fun. I came for a degree. And I came for enjoyment plus husband.
Fair woman sweeping. You've been working since sunrise again. I have to, Mama. We still have bills to pay. You're too young to carry all these burdens.
As long as you're healthy, I'm happy.
Good afternoon.
Are you Amara?
Yes, I am.
I've heard wonderful things about you.
I hope they didn't exaggerate.
You're hardworking, kind.
This video is going to break down the step-by-step process that you need, from your image generation to your video creation to your script writing to your prompt. Everything that you are going to need to create AI videos with your phone from the comfort of your home. So pay attention, because this video is going to be so value packed. You do not want to miss it. So without wasting your time, let's get straight into the video of today. You need prompts. And you need your prompts to be as specific as possible. So you come to ChatGPT and you give it your story idea. That is what you want your story to contain. So I'm trying to generate a story, and this is the prompt I give ChatGPT. I said, give me a 30-minute video script about a young married woman. Make the hook interesting and relatable. So for every story, there is always a hook. That is the first 30 seconds of your video. So you want to make the hook as interesting and catchy as possible. Because if that first few seconds does not grab your audience attention, they are going to swipe away from your video. So in your prompt, you are going to include, make the hook very interesting and relatable. The entire story should involve a Nigerian household setting. Add twists that will keep the viewers engaged and hooked. The first 10 seconds should include action. It should be very entertaining. Include prompts for the characters and scenes. The characters should be 3D animated. So I told ChatGPT to refine my prompts, that is, add more details that I would have missed. So this is what ChatGPT said. It said that they are going to give me a sophisticated master prompt. So ChatGPT said, create a 30-minute cinematic 3D animated Nigerian household drama about a young married woman whose seemingly happy marriage is disrupted by a shocking secret. So this is not exactly what I told ChatGPT, but it just imputed its own, ideas. So this is what ChatGPT is for. You give it your own ideas and then it will modify your ideas, right? So the first 10 seconds must contain action. Do not start with introductions or slow narration. Begin with a shocking event inside or around the Nigerian household that immediately raises questions. So this is what a good hook should look like. For every good hook, there is always action or something that holds your viewers, right? So this is the hook that ChatGPT gave me. This is the story and other things that ChatGPT included in the prompt. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to copy and paste these prompts back to ChatGPT to give me the story and the character prompts for each image and each scene. So I'm going to copy it now. I'm just going to click on this copy here and paste it here. Then at the end, I will say generate it. So ChatGPT is going to give us our entire script with the main characters and everything that we are going to need. This is the story that ChatGPT gave me. The title of our story is The Secret in Our House. So these are the main characters: Amara, Emeka, Mama Ngozi, Kemi, and so these are all the characters that are going to be in our story. So now we have scene 1, which is the hook. That's the first 10 seconds of the video. Started in the night. Amara bursts through the compound gate barefoot, crying hysterically. Behind her, Emeka runs after her. Emeka, Amara, please stop. She turns around. Amara then said, don't come near me. Mrs. Adeze opened her door in shock. So there is so much going on right now, which is what we want, right? So this is our scene 1. This is what we are going to paste when we are generating our images. Then this is scene 2 also. Then there should also be a prompt for the scene 2, scene 3, and it goes on like that. After I've gotten this, know that you can either use ChatGPT for your script generation, and you can also use Claude AI as well. So now I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI to generate your story scripts. Come to your Google Chrome and you click on Claude AI. Remember that prompt that we got from ChatGPT? We are going to copy and paste it here also. You can decide to start everything afresh with Claude AI, right? Like, give it your ideas and it's going to generate a script for you. This is what Claude AI gave me. The title of the story is Hidden Son, right? So there are 6 characters, the hook and everything. So Claude AI gave me as a document instead of like a normal write-up, right? So the characters are Adaeze, she's the wife, Emeka is the husband, and so on like that. Then this is scene 1, that's the hook. After we have generated everything that we need, the next thing we are going to do is to generate our images. Now to generate your images, you can use Flow AI or you can use ChatGPT. But for this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Flow AI to generate your images. So you come to Flow AI and click on it. This is what Flow AI looks like once you click on it. Then go to new project. Once you get here, you click on this place that says video, and then we'll change it to image because right now we want to generate image and not video. Then we'll click on 16:9 because that's YouTube aspect ratio. Then also this 1, 2, 3, 4, it signifies the number of pictures that you want to generate at a time. I'm going to leave my image to be 1 because I only want to generate 1 image at a time. So after we have done this, the next thing we're going to do is go back to ChatGPT where we have our image prompt. We're going to copy all our images and paste them here. So our first character is Amara. We'll just copy our Amara prompt, then paste it in Flow AI. Now that this one is generated, we'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the next character, then we'll come and paste it here again. That's how we're going to do for all the characters until we generate every single one of them. So these are the 2 images that we got from Flow AI. This is Amara and this is Emeka. And so we're going to download the images so that they can be saved in our device. So download, we'll long press the image and click on download 2 times. After we have done that, we're now going to head over to ChatGPT and then copy our scene. You know the images are different from the scene. The scene is the place where the story, where they acted it, right? We're now going to copy it and paste it back in Flow AI to generate the scene for us. So now that we're in Flow AI, we are going to paste that scene that we got from ChatGPT. We click on plus button, add our man and add our woman also because they are the one that is going to be in this scene. After we've done that, we'll go to the bottom and say the female character is Amara while the male character is Emeka. So we're just doing this so that AI will not get confused and can give us our desired result. So after we've done that, this is the scene that we got. It was in the night that the story took place, and this is what we got. So we'll just download it and save it to our device also. To generate our video on Flow AI, we move it from image to video. Keep the aspect ratio like that, keep it at 8 seconds and 1 video per generation. After we've done that, we'll go back to our script and then we're going to copy the script. We'll start from scene 1 and then copy it down to where the last script or the last action took place for scene 1. We'll copy it and paste it back in Flow AI. Now that I've pasted the script, we're just going to click on the scene, that is the image that we last created. Then we're going to tell Flow AI, let the characters speak Nigerian English. You can use whichever language you want the characters to say, but for this video I want them to speak Nigerian English. Now after we have done that, we are going to send it to Flow AI and it's going to generate our video for us. Now that we've generated our video, we're just going to play it and see.
Amara, please stop!
Don't come near me! You brought him into our house and lied to me for 3 years!
You can see how nice our video came out. It's even giving the same result as that of paid tools. And all of these things I'm teaching you for free. People pay thousands to learn this thing that I'm teaching you for free on this channel. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, you are missing out, because on this channel we give free and reliable AI tutorials. Nothing but the best on this channel. So you want to do well to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on all of the goodness that we have to offer. So let's get back to the video. After generating your videos and you plan on posting them here on YouTube, there are still some things that you need to do to be able to attract your target audience to your videos. I mean, after spending time creating these AI videos, you don't want your videos to get 100 views. That is why I created something for you in the description, where you can be able to generate the good thumbnails, titles, when to upload your video, how to upload your video in a way that can get millions and thousands of views that you deserve. You can check the description down below where you can find this to generate your own AI stories by yourself. You can be able to generate your own images, your own videos, your prompts, and even viral script ideas that can blow up your channel or your pages. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel so that we're encouraged to drop new videos like this every week. You can also check our description below where I broke down all the strategies that you need to post on YouTube to get your viewers engaged and hooked.